E4? Then what?
Well, I don't know why you're asking me. My elo is as low as a mole's toes. But a common response here is E6. I would take the centre with D4, and if they play D5, this is known as the French defence. One should always advance with E5. By far the most common response here is for them to attack your D-pawn with C5. Here, get connect 4 with C3.
But what if they go here?
And play the obvious counter knight F3.
But what if they go here?
Yes, if their queen comes out to queen B6 ready to fence or counter with A3.
But what if they go here?
Well, if the kingside knight tries to squeeze out with knight H6, take it with the bishop and ruin their pawn structure.
And supposing they go here, like?
Now, if they C takes D4, back at you with C takes D4 yourself. One caveat, if I may. Should their queen come to queen B6 without them adding knight C6, then play the short. Now, let's you and me discuss. After we play the advanced variation of E5, instead of attacking, should our opponent play something like B6, still get connect 4 with C3.
And what if they go here?
Yes, if their queen ominously steps forward one with queen D7, then prepare for a potential flank war with A4, and maybe later H4 too.
And what if they go here?
Charging the queenside flank with A5, I would castle kingside quickly. And now, my good friend, there's more to look at here.
I can only imagine.
Yeah, see, they may not play the French defence at all. If after we play D4, they may respond with C5. Known as the Franco Sicilian Defence, we still play C3, we just don't get connect 4.
And what if they go here?
Retake with the C-pawn, look for E5, and send in the cavalry.
But what if they go here?
If they play D5 here, this transposes into one of the Alapin Sicilian sidelines. Somebody should really make a video. Well, I believe taking the centre, kingside bishop out, knight F3, and castle kingside.
And what if they play the egg?
You kids today. Take the centre, play knight C3, push the D-pawn, take with the D-pawn, trade queens, and then attack their king with bishop G5 check.
But what if they go that there E6, B6 like?
Yes, like a mirrored King's Indian defence. Wisdom suggests develop quickly, apply pressure, take space.
Then what?
Then play chess.